sons and daughters of man, who at a time, a long time ago, were one of the lowest creatures on the earth, but with great potential. And you will see in your book somewhere it says, and the sons and daughters of God married with the sons and daughters of men. It was an attempt at breeding to help elevate the species of man. In the beginning there was a great experiment in which was the best way to live in a physical reality upon the earth. So there were many great experiments going on simultaneously. You had one group of people who were so close to God they may well not have been physical. And it wasn't quite right. Okay? And there were one group that was so that say, well, they ain't gonna never make it. So you had to put the two together to get a proper tension for existence. Yes. See, it's all it is, but then there are other parts of it that are incredibly large, that are responsible for things. So you keep getting this thing over and over and over again. This I am is a constant creation.